We don't need a ref. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Chicago Suburbs Hockey. We're playing in the snow here, so let's do it. Let's go.
Let's go like Jesus. Come on.
No.
I'm not on your team, Isaac.
Let's go, man. What's up, YouTube? Chicago Suburbs Hockey time.
Okay. What the heck is that kilometer?
Everybody get it!
No! Man, tap it in! Here! No!
Does it have a national identity?
Don't let McCheeses score. Yeah! Don't try to back me. So here.
Jonah, get it! Go, go, go! Yeah!
Should be like two people.
Oh my God!
Who am I going against?
Pass! My friggin' tendon. Ah.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh, that hurts so bad.
Two.
Oh, wait! It's Jesus! It was like...
All right, we get Josh. All right.
Where are you in the goal?
Inside the shoe.
Oh, he's dead.
No!
Diving, bro. I'm too scared.
He's too big.
Jonah kept on jabbing. Oh, shoot. I completely missed that. That's Josh out.
Yeah! Let's go, man. I'm the best.
I'm the best.
You know I'm the best, Max. No.
I'm the best. I'm the best. Here. I'm the best at stuffing it out.
Ow.
There you go.
About. Oh. Elijah!
You lifted the puzzle button. Let's go.
Yes, sir, Big Jesus.
Oh my gosh, it's too damn slippery.
Mexican brother. No, Mexican adopted brother. Nick Payson.
Oh, my God.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. See you next time on Chicago Suburbs Hockey.